Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to teach about the function composition. The other name of function composition is called as nested functions. In the previous video sessions, I already taught you what is nested. What is nested? Nested means one thing present inside the another. You already learned about the nested if, then nested looping statement. Okay, so if one if else present inside the another if, or one for loop is present inside the another for loop, we say, or loop, we say it is the nested. Likewise, here also, if one function is present inside the another function, we say it is the nested function. It can say like this also, ability to call the function within a function or from another function. Ability, that is, we can able to access one function which is present inside the another function or within a function. Okay, ability to call the function from another function or within a function. Okay, all of you got it? Ability to call the function within a function or from another function is known as nested function. In the nested function, we can do one more thing. We can pass one function's output is the input of the another function. You can pass or you can give one function's output to another function's input. Okay. So, nested means how many function is there? Two functions are there. One function output we can take it and we can given as the input of another function. This is also we can perform in the nested function. Okay. So, all of you understood what is nested. Now, we can see two examples, so you will get the clear idea about the nested function. So, this is the nested function program. Here, I am going to perform the sum as well as average. For finding the sum, how many values required? We need two values. That means we need two variables. So, I am going to take two values, then I am going to perform sum and average. For nested function, how many functions required? Two functions. See here, this is one function and this is the another function. Two functions. Okay, this is a function and another, this is the function. And what about this? This is the main program. If you use the function concept, it is mainly your program is divided into function program and main program. So, these two are the function program and this is the main program. Till the function calls executes, the function definition cannot be executed. So, this function cannot be executed first, this function also cannot be executed. So, directly it will come to the main program. So, I want to get two values as input. So, x equal to, how you get the input from the user? Int input of. Int input of is a function to get the input from the user and convert it to integer. Normally, input of is a function. Input function is used to get the input. But it will get as a string. You want to convert it into integer. So, int input of. Here you are passing a string what you want to display in the output. So, in your output, it will be display enter x value. Enter x value. I am giving here 10. Then enter y value. I am giving 20. Okay. Two values I got the input. See here sum. What is this sum? Check anywhere in your program. Any places another sum is here? It's here. So, it's a function call. By seeing this bracket and the argument itself, we can find it. Sum is the function call. This function call belongs to this function definition. Okay, sum. Here two arguments, here two parameters. Once this line got executed, the control will be given back to the function definition. From here, the interpreter moved here. At that time, the values of x and y is copied or passed to values of a and b. So, the values of xy is passed to a and b. So, what's the x value? 10. What's the y value? 20. Now, I want to perform sum. Why? Here it's a function for sum, right? So I am performing addition. 10 plus 20, you will get the answer 30. So I am printing here sum equal to, it's a string. So it will print sum equal to 30. See here. Here the important thing, see here. What is this AVG? AVG, anywhere in your program AVG is here? Here. So AVG is a function call for this function definition. What is nested function? Ability to call the function from one function to another. Ability to call the function from another function or within the function. So from here, I am going to call this function. From the function, I am going to access the average function. That is nested function. Ability to call from one function to another. From the sum function, I am going to call the average. So at that time, the second function, second point also I am used here. The output of first function, what is Z? Z is the output of sum function, is given as the input of another function. Z is the output of some function. It is passed as the input argument of another function. So here our AVG of Z. What is Z? 30. So it's a function call. So it will come to the definition. At that time, what's the total? This Z value is passed to this total. Now total is 30. So answer equal to, here I am going to find the average. Answer is the variable. Variable equal to 30 divided by 2. You will get the answer 15. Now what's the answer of ANS? 15. I want to print the average. So print, this is the string, what we display in the output string. So average equal to, what's the answer? Inside this variable, which value is there? 15. 15 will be printed. All of you got it? Ability to call from one function to another function. From one function to another is function composition. I am going to explain one more example. So you will get the clear idea. Okay. Here also two functions. This is one function. This is another function. Two functions. And this is the main program. This is the main program. Okay. So square function should not be executed. Why? Function call not yet executed. Quad function should not be executed. Why? Function call should not be executed. This program is used to find the square and quad. What is square? Multiples of 2. 2 square 4. Okay. What is quad? Quad means 2 times you have to take square. So we can say it is quad. Quad means 4. Okay. So here I am going to find the square and the quad. Okay. So till this cannot be executed at first. Why? Function call not yet initiated or executed. So your main program will be started here. So the main program, I want to find the square and quad, right? How many inputs required? Only one input is enough. So I am getting A equal to int input of enter a value. So in the output screen it will be displayed enter a value. I am giving 2. What's the next line? What's the next line? Answer, it is a variable. Variable equal to, what is this quad? Just go through your program. Quad is here. Def. So it is a function. What is quad? It's a function call. Here how many parameters is there? 1. How many argument? 1. So arguments and parameters. Number of arguments and number of parameters is match. So what will happen? The control will be given to the function definition. At that time, what's the value? What's the value? A is 2. So 2 is passed to n. Now what's the value of n? 2. Now here I want to find the quad. Quad means what? 4. Power 4. Okay, 2 power 4. For finding 2 power 4, 2 times if you are taking square means 2 square plus 2 square means you will get 2 square into 2 square means you will get the quad value, right? So result equal to square. Here again one bracket is there. What is this square? Anywhere in your program is here? Yes, here. Square means another function for finding the square. So at that time, see here, from this function you are accessing square. From the quad you are accessing square. This is nested. From one function you can call the another function. This is nested. Okay. So square of, what's the n value? 2. So from this, the control will be given to square. The control will be given to the square. So here, what's the s value? S is 2. Written 2 into 2. S value is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. What the return will do? What the return will do? Return is used to return the answer back to the function call where it was invoked or where it was called. Return is the, any function with return type is fruitful function. The return statement will return the answer back to the function call. Which function call? So return 4 will be returned here. This place 4 will come. I want to find the code, right? So 2 times I am calling the function square. So into square of n, again 2. So return 2 into 2, 4. Where it will return? From here the function was invoked, right? So again here it will be returned back. So 2 times you are calling the function square with the input of 2. So the return will 2 times return the answer. Now you want to find the code, result equal to 4 into 4, 16. So 2 power 4, how much? 2 power 4, you will get the answer 16. So that is your result. Okay, 4 into 4, 16. Now again return result. So this return will return the answer where the code function will invoked. Where the code function invoked? Here. Here the code function call is here, right? So return result will be returned back here. So what's the answer? 16. This answer will be stored in ANS, variable ANS. The code answer will be written in the variable ANS. So you have to print the answer. So print ANS. So for 2 power 4 you will get the answer 16. I hope you understand this function composition and nested function concept, students. Thank you.